Good afternoon, everyone. Today is September 27th, 2022. The market closed just about an hour ago. We had put in a new low of the year at 36.35 quarter, just a few points below the prior low of the year. We've put in a lot of junk. Before I get into the high time frame analysis, I just want to note that 39 was our prior low of the year, 42 being a weekly value area low from back in June. However, we've now put in a daily POC at 49. We put in last year's lows at 52.5. You have settlement lows at 57.5. You have last week's low at 60 quarter. You have a developing weekly POC right around 69. And we've closed the 4 p.m. close at 61. So in other words, what I'm trying to get at is you have a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of crap roughly between 49 and 61. Let's call it 69 if you include that weekly POC that's developing. So there's a 20-point range there that I think is just kind of going to be more of what we saw during today's late afternoon portion of the day, which is that just very choppy action. So instead of playing in that chop, what I'm going to be looking for is if you take the value area, if you run a fixed range profile here, maybe I'll just throw it on the screen for you guys. If you run a profile here, what you can see is we have a value area low at 66.75, a huge POC, a ton of volume done right around 09.5, and then the value area high right around 15-ish. So instead of looking to play within this churn, what I'm going to be looking for is, can we accept below today's low of the day? And then I'll be looking for a short at 39, the last year's low, which we held really well today. If we get back inside this sort of value area in the past few sessions, then I will be looking to long 76. 76 being just that sort of spike base we made during Friday's sell-off that gave a really great rebound. So I will be looking to long 76 for a move back to halfback in this 3-day balance we have going on, which I believe is somewhere around 85 or 90, somewhere around there, maybe even a bit higher up. Now, I'm not interested in really. I understand that there might be opportunities for shorts around 0750, or maybe even taking the POC that's been developing at 09.5. But in general, instead, what I would rather do is see us get above this thick amount of volume, above this value area high over the past few sessions, and see us come up above, and then prior to taking out these highs, enter a retracement long off of 37.18. I just realized I got the number wrong there, 13 to 20 quarter. There you go. Now, if we do manage to hold 18, I believe we should finally on this fourth try be able to get into the gap, get a gap close. I will be trying to long 43 on the way up. The gap close, I believe, is sitting at 37.6350. And a value area low from last week being at 77.50. I will be looking for that. Simply because once we get above all this volume, I don't want to be looking for a short. I think the opportunity for a breakout will be getting higher and higher as we sit in such a contracted range. Just this has to expand one way or the other, and with a gap above, it's likely to fill it. So that's all I'm really looking at are 3 potential trades probably for tomorrow. I might be able to get on a 43 long, but that's probably about it. So that is shorting the original low of the year at 39 upon a break of today's low of the day, not playing in all of the high time frame levels in here, or a long at 76, that original spike, and maybe a long at 18. Everything else, not really interested in. Hope that made sense. This is a 4.5-minute video. I may edit these levels a little bit based on how the overnight action is, but this should probably be the plan for tomorrow's RTH session. Hope that helps. Give a follow on Twitter if you want to see the updated levels if I do update them. Have a good day.